What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. Today we're gonna talk about TSMP. It's looking like it might find a base. It's looking like it's consolidating, but we'll get into that in a minute. Also, want to talk about FORW. You guys already know how it's connected to TSMP. If you don't know, go watch my videos. Before we get into that though, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything I find interesting in the stock market. And I like to share that with anybody willing to listen. So, that being said, let's just get right into it, shall we? So, TSMP. Second red day in a row today. Again, we're on this huge parabolic run, so it is normal for this thing to be coming down. But looking into this 10-day, 30-minute chart, it's looking like we might get a base. As you can see right here, we're kind of getting a base right above the high 120 area. If we go into the 1 day, 1 minute, as you can see, it's looking like it's just basing over this 130. And it's looking beautiful, guys. It's looking really, really beautiful. Is it still to the point where I would like to purchase? For me personally, not just yet. I still want to see maybe another day or two. But it's looking nice. It's looking like we're finally forming a base. If you look at FORW, we're pretty much seeing the same thing in FORW as well. Massive run, and then coming off its second day of red. If we go into the 1 year, 1 day chart, it's actually technically 3, but we consider this day still a green because overall it was still profitable, but a red candle. So we're still having this come down, and it's looking exactly the same. Maybe potentially a bull flag forming, potentially, which could be a good sign that this thing is basing and it might reverse at this point. Again, I'm still waiting. I want to see a little more consolidation to solidify my position to repurchase another 10,000 shares. And that's basically what I'm seeing here as well. Not much of a bull flag, somewhat of a bull flag with this one as well, which I do like seeing bull flags, and this one has a potential. So very much going to be on my watch to see what happens. Obviously, the volume is slowing down because right now the speculation is we don't really know if it's going to drop some more or if it's going to continue up. But it's looking like it's forming this solid base in the 120 area. So that is a very good sign. That is a very good sign for my TSMP bulls. You know what I'm saying? That's a really good sign. So it might hold and maintain. So I want to see another day of consolidation. And if it holds these levels, I am definitely a buyer. But again, man, when you're seeing it with this extended, we honestly don't know how much further it could drop. So I want to wait. 2 days isn't enough for me personally, so I just want to wait a little bit longer and have the patience with this. I'm doing very well on my other positions in trading, so for me personally, it's no big deal if I miss out on any one particular stock. But TSMP is definitely one of those ones that stays on my watch list that I capitalize on when the right movement presents itself. So TSMP and FORW are looking exactly the same. Looking like they both might found their bottom, but I want to see a little more days of consolidation. FORW is just a little more extended and holding near the top, so that might be a good sign for TSMP because TSMP looks like it just dipped off a little bit further from its top. But if this is a solid base, then that's going to be a beautiful thing for all my TSMP bulls. So that's going to be it for today, man. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think of my analysis. Will the consolidation come? Is this the bottom? It's looking like it has a good chance of being the bottom, which would be a great thing for my bulls. Again, man, if you made it this far, please click that like button. Please subscribe. You can't stop Mafia is a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you could do that. So, TSMP, another red day. FORW, another red day, but both of them looking like they may potentially found their base of their consolidation. And if that is the case, then it's definitely getting close to the time for me to purchase personally. So I'll be sure to keep you guys updated as much as possible. Till next time, I'm out. Peace.